Hello everyone. Today my group will show you about what is Jupiter. Yeah, let's see with this video. Yeah, let's go.
Enter the court of an alien giant.
Jupiter is one of the most spectacular places in the solar system. If you are approaching by spacecraft, you could see from a long distance the cloud patterns of Jupiter. It's incredibly complex, constantly changing multicolored clouds that are like nothing else in the solar system.
Jupiter takes its name from the Roman king of the gods. Fitting for the brooding and mysterious king of the planets. Calling it the biggest planet in the solar system doesn't do it justice. Jupiter is a world so roomy that it could swallow every planet and moon in the solar system and still have room for more.
If you move the Earth, you could put it inside the Great Red Spot, which is the largest storm there, and there are several other spots that are about Earth size. So everything on Jupiter is big.
You can fit 1,000 Earths inside Jupiter. It's huge, and yet it's quite underdense. It's made of almost entirely hydrogen and helium.
This giant gas bag is built from the flimsiest materials in the universe. But for all its squishy bulk, it's a great little mover. Jupiter spins at such breakneck speed that it bulges at the equator. So fast, in fact, that a day here lasts less than 10 hours, the shortest of all the planets. Our gaze was first drawn to the attractions of Jupiter 400 Earth years ago, when Italian astronomer Galileo pointed his telescope toward the planet on January 7, 1610. His curious novelty quickly became one of the most powerful scientific instruments of all time, and turned our world on its head.
What he saw for the first time was that Jupiter had 4 moons, and he could see those 4 moons were going around the planet. And this is what really first told him that the Earth couldn't possibly be the center. Here were objects going around something other than the Earth.
It was a revelation. Io, Europa, Callisto, and Ganymede. Were these worlds like our own, circling a distant master? It's a cosmic experience anyone with a backyard telescope can have. Point at Jupiter and you'll see for yourself.
Jupiter is like a little miniature solar system by itself. It has many moons, 4 of which are very large and bright, the rest of which are very small and faint. But these moons are all different.
The court of the king of the planets is crowded. At last count, an entourage of 62 moons was in attendance, all dancing to Jupiter's heavy gravitational tune. It's even crowned by a trio of faint gossamer rings. Jupiter is a planet that knows how to exert its influence on the solar system and how to impress even the seasoned traveler. You can fly around the Earth in a jumbo jet in less than 2 days. Try this on Jumbo Jupiter, and you'll be in the air for 3 solid weeks, refueling about 50 times. Not only will you get sick of the food, there's nowhere to land.
You don't actually have a surface of Jupiter. You shine a big strong radar pulse at Jupiter, and what you get back is 4 tiny blips. You see the moons of Jupiter just fine. In fact, we can study them by radar. Jupiter isn't there. It's like a stealth planet. If you had radar eyes, you'd wonder what these things were circling.
It's far out and far away and tempting us to visit.
Here we go. And now everyone knew what is Jupiter, right? Okay. That my group will listen to about Jupiter, but my software to render clips, oh no, render videos can't later, you know. It's I try more than 10 times to render my videos, but I can't. It's not responding, you know. It's so hard. Then I use the video from YouTube, yeah, from YouTube to present you. And thank you for watching.